Hello, and welcome to this channel. Today, we will show you 10 of the most strange places in the world that you won't believe actually exist. Make sure to stay until the end to see which place will be number 1 on our list. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. The Gates to Hell, Turkmenistan. There are many legends and myths surrounding this place, but what we know for sure is that it has been burning for over 50 years and it shows no signs of stopping anytime soon. It all started back in 1991 when Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas. They accidentally tapped into a pocket of methane, and since then the gas has been escaping and igniting naturally. The crater is around 20 meters wide and 200 meters deep, and it burns with a temperature of around 1000 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt metal. The good news is that it doesn't seem to be getting any bigger, and it shouldn't affect the surrounding area, so it's not dangerous, just very hot. Number 9. The Spinifex Pits, Australia. If you're looking for some unique rock formations that look like they're from another planet, then look no further than the Spinifex Pits. These pits are located in the middle of the Australian desert, and they look like something from a science fiction movie. The pits are actually holes in the ground that were created by mining companies when they were extracting iron ore. But over time, the holes have filled with water and become home to all sorts of wildlife, including birds, reptiles, and fish. One of the most amazing things about the Spinifex Pits is the colors. The water is a vibrant shade of blue and the rocks are red and orange. This makes for a stunning contrast and a beautiful sight to see. Number 8. The Wave Rock, Australia. Wave Rock is a huge granite rock formation that looks like a wave frozen in time. It's located in the small town of Hayden, Western Australia, and it's one of the state's most popular tourist attractions. The rock is 14 meters high and 110 meters long, and it is estimated to be around 2,700 million years old. It was formed when tectonic plates collided and caused the granite to fold and fault. Over time, erosion has worn down the rock and created the smooth, wave-like surface that we see today. Number 7. Chocolate Hills, Philippines. The Chocolate Hills are a geological wonder that looks like something straight out of a fantasy movie. These hills are located on the island of Bohol in the Philippines, and they cover an area of over 500 square kilometers. The hills are made up of limestone, and they get their name from the fact that during the dry season, the tops of the hills turn brown, which resembles chocolate. The hills were formed over millions of years as the sea level rose and fell. When the sea level fell, it exposed the limestone, which was then eroded by wind and rain. This created the unique shape of the hills. Number 6. Fly Geyser, Nevada. The Fly Geyser is a beautiful and colorful geyser that is located in Nevada's Black Rock Desert. The geyser was formed in 1964 when geothermal water from a nearby power plant leaked into an underground pocket of water. The water then erupted onto the surface, creating the geyser that we see today. What makes the Fly Geyser so unique is its colors. The water is a bright shade of blue and green, and the minerals in the water create a rainbow-like effect. The geyser is also home to all sorts of wildlife, including birds, reptiles, and fish. Number 5. Devil's Sea, Japan. The Devil's Sea is a mysterious and dangerous area of water located off the coast of Japan. The sea is said to be home to all sorts of strange and mysterious creatures, including the legendary Kraken. There are many legends and myths surrounding the Devil's Sea, but what we know for sure is that it is a very dangerous place to swim. Many people have disappeared in the Devil's Sea, and those who have survived have told stories of being attacked by mysterious creatures. Some believe that the Devil's Sea is home to a portal to another dimension, or even hell itself. Number 4. The Grand Prismatic Spring, Wyoming. The Grand Prismatic Spring is one of the most beautiful places in Wyoming, and it's definitely worth a visit if you're ever in the area. The spring is located in Yellowstone National Park, and it gets its name from the rainbow colors that can be seen in the spring water. The colors are caused by algae and bacteria that live in the spring water, and they change color depending on the temperature of the water. Number 3. Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra Island is a small island located in the Indian Ocean off the coast of Yemen. The island is home to a wide variety of unique plants and animals that can't be found anywhere else in the world. One of the most famous trees on the island is the Dragon's Blood Tree. The tree gets its name from the red sap that oozes out of the tree when it is cut. The sap is used to make a type of paint that is very popular in India and China. Another unique animal that can be found on the island is the Socotra starling. The starling is a type of bird that is found only on the island, and it is known for its beautiful song. Number 2. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Lake Natron is a beautiful but deadly lake located in Tanzania. The lake is famous for its pink color and its high salt content. The pink color comes from the algae that lives in the lake, and the high salt content makes the lake very inhospitable to most life forms. However, there are a few species of birds that can tolerate the conditions of the lake, and they are often seen flying around the lake or resting on its shores. One of the most famous birds that can be found at Lake Natron is the lesser flamingo. These birds are known for their beautiful pink color, and they often gather in large flocks at the lake. Number 1. Deadvlei, Namibia. Deadvlei is a dry and salty lake bed located in Namibia. The lake bed is famous for its towering sand dunes and its dead trees. The sand dunes are up to 38 meters high, and the dead trees are a popular tourist attraction. The trees died during a drought in the early 1900s, and they have since become a symbol of the harsh environment of the Namib Desert. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to stay tuned for more amazing content. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.